Today is International Women's Day and I'm hugely excited about it. This year the theme is Planet 50-50, Step It Up for Gender Equality. And that's such a good theme in the first year of our SDGs, where the global goals commit us to really achieving gender equality by 2030. I'm incredibly excited as well that this year we have Women Deliver, that remarkable conference that will bring together thousands of leaders and researchers and activists, thought leaders, to think about what we really need to do for gender empowerment. And we know that where women take leadership, where girls and women are empowered, we can transform our planet. One of the most important things we can do for the health of children is to educate girls. Women who are well educated as girls are much more likely to be healthy and survive themselves, and for their children to survive and be healthy. And despite all this achievement and everything we know, there are huge inequities. Look at HIV, for example. Amongst young people aged 15 to 24, girls and young women are twice as likely to have HIV as boys. And there are 3 million girls under the age of 19 who have unsafe abortions every year, with all of the dreadful implications for their health that entails. And then we have to think about violence. Boys experience physical and sexual violence too, but 1/3 of girls and women between the age of 15 and 49 experience physical and sexual violence in their lifetimes. These are the kind of challenges that we have and that we really need to tackle if we're going to improve the health of every woman, every child, every adolescent, everywhere.